Kingston's HyperX has been known in the gaming scene quite a while now and is probably most known for their cloud headset lineup. However, they make keyboards and mice as well. Today guys, we are gonna unbox their latest mouse specified towards FPS gamers. This is the unboxing of the PulseFire FPS coming up. Welcome back my friends, Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming. On this channel you'll find PC components, tech gadgets and console accessories, as well as product reviews and unboxings just like this one. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. In this video we're gonna be unboxing the HyperX PulseFire FPS. With that said, let's get started. So HyperX is the high performance product division of Kingston Technology, the world's largest independent memory manufacturer. Started in 2002, HyperX began with their one line of high performance memory and has grown over the years to encompass multiple product lines of memory modules, solid state drives, USB flash drives, headset, as well as mouse pad and mice as well. HyperX PulseFire FPS uses the proven Pixart 3310 sensor for accuracy and precision. So we got no less than 4 DPI presets to fit any playstyle and the ergonomic lightweight design, which hopefully allows us to game longer and more comfortably. We got Omron switches and a total of 6 buttons. Kingston says that these are durable, ultra responsive buttons with a crisp tactile feedback. We'll see about that. And finally we got a braided cable and large mouse skates on the back to prevent skipping and snagging in the clutch. Guys, this is the box. This is what we are gonna break open in a few seconds. Is there anything to say regarding the box? No, not really. Let's do it. All right, let's do it. So I have been prepping a bit. So well, Jesus Christ. Let's see. Come on now, work with me. Let's see. Oh, we got a nice black box with the HyperX in a silver finish. What? God. All right, fantastic. So what else do we got? Gotta say, guys, this is very lightweight. And these are super slippery. But the side grips are actually doing a pretty good job. See, I'm actually able to hold the mouse without losing the grip. That's a good thing. How about the buttons? Ultra durable, crisp tactile. I am actually ready to agree. Things are looking promising. We got no RGB. In fact, let's just connect it. So we obviously got a red coloring scheme going with a illuminated HyperX logo on the back and a scroll wheel. What else do we got? What else is in the box? Let's dive a bit deeper. That's what I was supposed to say. All right, cool. We got a quick start guide and we got, let's just put that back. As you might be able to tell from previous gameplay videos, I am a retired CSGO esport gamer. One can only dream, right? But I have been playing FPS games for over 10 years, so hopefully I'm gonna be able to give you guys a great review in a few days time. But that is the unboxing of the PulseFire. Thank you so much for watching this this first look. Really appreciate that. Ooh, nice, we got 2 years of warranty. And that's fantastic. Guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Robin here on Chips Media. Until next time, guys, have an awesome day, alright? Bye!